All right, in this solutions chapter, we're going to take a look at how we can actually apply autonomy, mastery, and purpose. Remember, autonomy is giving someone choice while anchoring it to the 4 T's: the task, the time, the technique, and whether or not they want a team to do it with. In this case, you're going to see a coach and a client. Second, with mastery, we want to give them that infinite challenge and providing them ways which anchor to their purpose while giving them some ability to choose, because mastery and autonomy are like peanut butter and jelly. And finally, with purpose, we're going to anchor it to the very reason why they're in the session with you. In this example, you're going to see a client who's working on hypertrophy. They're in their beginning phase of their program. They're going to be performing 3 sets. We're going to start with some traditional pushing as well as lower pull. Okay, Rich, first exercise in this block, we're going to be doing an upper push dumbbell chest press. I'm going to have you lay down on the bench. We're going to bring those hands beside the body, and I want you to punch the ceiling. Come down nice and slow, like it's a good tray of food, and punch the ceiling again, okay? All right, let's grab our weights. We're going to do 6 reps. You ready? Oh, that's nice. Good speed. Punch. Beautiful. Punch. Control, control, control. It's Thanksgiving dinner, buddy. Yes. And one more. Nailed it. Let's slowly bring those weights down. Come on up to a seated position. We're going to go into our second exercise in this strength block, which is a lower pull deadlift. So I'm going to have you come over to the Olympic platform. I've got our weights all set up. I put them out today. So I'm going to have you stand with your feet right underneath your body. You're going to anchor down, real heavy, cement in the ground. We're going to karate chop. I want you to find those weights by sitting in the chair. Beautiful. And we're going to drive the belt buckle forward as you stand up. And then we're going to shave the legs. Nice. Sit in the chair. Punch, belt buckle up. Shave the legs. Perfect. That's 2. We're going to do 4 more. Nice. And this table here is where your Thanksgiving dinner gets set, right? Beautiful. And I lost count, Coach. What are we at? Beautiful. Shave the legs. Beautiful. Okay, so in our second set, I'm going to give you a little bit of choice. We're going to go back to our upper push. And on this one, we're going to asymmetrically load the body. So we're going to put only 1 dumbbell in our hand, and we're going to perform that push movement, punching the sky, lower the tray of food, punch. Lower the tray of food. We are still going to perform 6 on each side. All right? Let's get it rolling. Okay. Nice setup. Yeah, slow and controlled. Steady Eddie. Beautiful. Power with that, and breathe out. Yes, I hear that. One more, and then we're going to switch sides. Beautiful. Okay, transitioning over to the other side. Anchor down, strong, and punch. Lower, slow. Good. Great control, Rich. And beautiful. Okay, let's move back to our lower pull. And just like we did on our first set of the push, I'm going to give you an asymmetrical load. So what I'd like you to do is still set up in the same stance that you did. You're going to sit in the chair, but this time we're only going to pick up 1 dumbbell as you drive the belt buckle forward. Okay? Good. We're going with power. Boom. So you might notice with one dumbbell in your hand, your body wants to rotate. I want you to resist that rotation. Turn everything on as you punch. Good. Shave the legs. Don't miss any spots on those legs, by the way. Okay, and let's actually switch sides. Even though we're asymmetrically loaded, we're still going to do a bilateral position on those feet. So let's go. Punch. Good. Nice tabletop. And beautiful. Okay. All right, so while your upper body in the pushing motion has rested, you did the lower pull, we're gonna go back to our third and final set. This time, we're gonna tweak it up a little bit because you mentioned to me that you really like that variety. So with our push, you're going to have 2 dumbbells again, and you have the option of changing your hand position with your right or your left foot forward, your right or your left hand, not your foot, and or you can rotate those hands, okay? Let's give that a go. Okay, so you'll self-select the position of your hands at the bottom. You'll punch to the top and slowly lower down. Yes, nice choice. Good, Rich. Good, we have 2 more. Excellent. All right, come on out of there. We're gonna now go into our lower pull deadlift, and this is where it gets really spicy. We are going to change our foot position in addition to lifting 1 or 2 dumbbells. Every repetition you can choose how you want to change. But we're going to start either left foot forward or right foot forward. And since we're doing 6 reps, if you choose to start with your left foot, do 3. And you can either pick up this one or this one, okay? And then we'll switch feet and do 3 on the other side. And it doesn't matter which one you choose to pick up, you have the choice. Good, sit in the chair, tabletop, punch, shave the legs. That's what I like. Ooh, changing it up, changing how we load the body. Every rep that looks so good. Excellent. That's our third one. We're going to switch our feet. Good, and punch. Great control. Uh-oh, here we go, other side. Looking good, looking good. And that's rep number 6. How did that feel for you?
Felt great.
Good. Would you say that the weight was about right for you?
Definitely. Perfect.
Okay. I think that you performed it so well, especially on the 3rd set, we might have to go up next time. All right, thanks.